drywall installation and finishing for home renovations. Are you doing renovations to your home or property? If you're currently doing or thinking of renovating your home or your property, you will most likely need our services. We specialize in drywall installation, drywall finishing, and interior and exterior house painting. Our company, Drywall Paint Plus, has been helping homeowners increase the value of their property with a process that is stress-free, hassle-free, and worry-free. No more feeling anxious, frustrated, or overwhelmed. No more dealing with unreliable contractors, going over budget, or not completing your project on time. Stop dreaming of a home that is visually appealing and make it your reality. Stop dreaming of a home that is a sense of pride and joy and make it your reality. Are you ready to stop dreaming and create your reality? Then call Drywall Paint Plus today at 508-981-3254.